What is going on, guys? Another dugite relocation in Jindalee. We're just gonna throw him down here in the bush and hopefully he can stay down this way and not head back up towards the bloody houses. Let's go have a look at this snake that we caught and then let's go release it. Is his head out or is his tail out? Yes, that is his tail. Whoa. Here's oh, what's happened here? It's gonna be very hard to get you out backwards through here. We got a problem. Gotta try and get this guy out of this bloody pipe in the wall without hurting him.
Yeah.
What snake is this?
It's a dugite.
Ah, dugite.
Yeah, I know, but I'm just trying to get him to back out, but he can't back out because he's getting stuck on this bloody thing. Oop.
Ooh,
Hey, dude.
careful.
I know, I'm trying to be.
I know you're trying to, but you're just not being careful enough.
I am being very careful.
I know, but it's just about the snake. I'm worried.
He's in a bit of a predicament. Yeah.
Just a bit worried.
Ooh. He's managed to wedge himself right in on this stuff. He's giving himself a little bit of a sore there.
I don't know where the pipe runs to, I'm guessing.
It's a weep hole, so there might be a bit of sand missing from the back of it.
He's going to try and drown him out by the slipperiness. That was not what I was thinking. Poor guy. Maybe try a little bit more.
No, give me a sec.
Oh, poor.
Get somewhere. Oh, here we go. Come on. Come on.
Doing
Come on.
good.
Oh my god. Alright, Indy, can you go grab me my bag, please?
Okay,
It's
so
just behind
should I
you.
poison
It's
it?
just behind you.
Okay.
No, you can keep filming.
On that.
Alright, ready?
Come on.
Chuck us here, hold the bag.
We gotta make
Oops,
sure
sorry.
it goes away so no.
No, that's alright, that's alright. Ready? Let's have a look at him. You're very cute, aren't you? Look at you. Alright, Eli, you stay there though. Ready? Let's see if we can get him to shoot off the path here. Up, up. Hello? Hello? Look, me big feet. Me big feet. No, you... This is what people think by... So he's trying to get under my shoes at the moment and in my shadow. Indy, hop out the way. He's realised that I'm moving, so he's going this way. Look at that.
This is actually the best.
Yeah, there you go. That's pretty good. People think that that is a part of them chasing you. So he lost all of his cover and he's thinking that my feet are shade, my shadow is shade and somewhere to hide. So he's coming that way. And once they've picked the way that they're going to travel, they're going to continue to travel that way, which is sometimes why people think that the snake's chasing somebody. It's been a couple of days. I didn't finish off my dugite video the other day. So we're going to stitch this one onto the end of it. And today we have a little carpet python. So we're going to let him go here. We caught him just across the road over there. So we're going to try and keep this guy super duper close to where we found him. We're off. Look at you.
Don't bring it too
Oh, no, you're all right. You're all right. I won't bring him close to you. Hey, cut it here. Yeah, he's just chilling. He's going, what do you don't want of me? Now you can go.
There you go.
In the hole, okay? I'm just gonna push this guy off up here and hopefully he's gonna find some food in here, some water, stays away from people, because even though it is just a carpet python, some people are not very fond of him. And yeah, and you know what? That's up to people to decide whether or not they're keen on it. I'll grab this guy out, have a look at him and send him on his way. Here he is. So we got this little dude out. It's super duper hard to tell the age of snakes just because it all depends on their food intake. So I'm not going to take a guess on his age and we'll let him go back in the tree. But he's super duper cute. He is not somebody's pet. We find them around here all the time. People say because he is tame. He's definitely not tame. It's all about learning how to handle an animal and read an animal. And people that are just comfortable with snakes can pick up wild snakes and be fine. I definitely do not recommend picking up wild snakes, because if you do pick up a venomous snake, see, I just picked up my phone there and now he started biting things. So this is what I mean. If you make wrong moves around them, let's chuck him in here so he stops stressing out. Yeah, there's a branch. You make your way through there, and I'll go back to saying that if you do catch a wild snake and it is venomous and you start handling it and you get bit, that is bad, all right? It's bad for the snakes, it's bad for you. I'll flip the camera around, we'll say goodbye to this guy. And just like that, this guy is on his way out into his kind of new home. He's from this area, so yeah. And I bet you people walk past him all the time. You never know they were here. It's like magic. Also, for those of you concerned about the holes in my bags, no need to be concerned about the holes. My mother-in-law replaced this thing. Got around to taking it to her, and she was like, there's holes in your bag. You probably should have done this earlier. Look at him go. Oh, look at him. There he is. All right, see you later, dude. Enjoy your life. Make babies and heaps of other cool things out here. And I don't know, enjoy. But there's no holes in the bag. No need to worry about them getting out anymore. I'm probably gonna make a new one. I made this one like 3.5, 4 years ago when I started catching snakes. And I was like, it'll be temporary. It is literally, if you guys have a little pull thing, you'll probably recognize the handle and the shape from somewhere. It was a pull thing that I found on the side of the road years ago. Put a bit of fabric over it and started catching snakes with it. Sure, it may not be the same as other people's bags, but it really is one of those things that if you make your tools work, you can use anything. I got mates that catch snakes in pillowcases, which is a pain in the butt. Sometimes I do it just because there's something occupying the bag. I don't recommend that, having something that at least opens. I got quite a small opening on the bag there, and some people aren't very cool with that, and obviously have no handle because that snapped off years ago, and I just never got around to replacing it. So it is a temporary bag, temporarily for so far my whole snake catching career, and hundreds of relocations. So maybe it's a little bit of a permanent temporary thing. All right, guys, I'm gonna wrap the video up here. Take it easy, stay awesome, and remember, you can't fail if you try. See you later.